Hello guys, it's Chris with MarketingTradersCM.com, and I'm very excited to show you today's video where you're gonna need your phone. You're gonna receive an SMS, you're gonna answer a question, you're gonna click submit, and you're gonna receive instantly money in your PayPal account. Sounds too good to be true? It is true, and I'm gonna show you just in a minute how you can do that. Stick with me all the way down to the end to see all the tricks needed for this website. And before we go ahead and start this video, make sure guys you click the subscribe button. I want you to be part of my channel. I want you to be there, give me your feedback, your comments, because I approve as well. It would be a great honor if you go ahead and click the subscribe button right now, and make sure you click the bell notification as well, so you can see every single day when I release my videos. You're gonna get a notification that the new video is out, so you can go ahead and try it and start making money with new different methods, always free methods on making money. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and start the video today. So the website is called oneiq.com, which is very rare to find two-letter domain in order to get, so you are talking about something nice and legit. Here guys, these guys investing a lot of money, so we're happy when there's a lot of money because we get money from our side as well. oneiq.com, the link is listed below the description of this video. And what you're gonna do guys with this one, as you can see here, companies need to know and get your feedback instantly to better market their products and services. So they want to get now, they don't want to put surveys, they take it out, they submit it, they need to get reviewed by the company. 1 week later you get paid as well and they get the feedback. They want feedback now. So they will send you an SMS, and as you can see here, this is how it works. You have one new question, it comes directly as an SMS to your mobile phone. You open the SMS, you can read the question, you can check what is applied for you, and you can see here, where do you get your morning coffee? Starbucks, local coffee, no? You hit submit, and bam, congratulations, you have just been paid 50 USD cents in your PayPal account. Simple as that, amazing as that guys. This is instantly money in your account. It's available all around the globe as far as I know, and as far as I've seen. Just go ahead, put your information to do, and as you can see, about IQ. Our mission is to radically revolutionize the rules of marketing and market research. As a technology startup, OneIQ aims to connect any business in the world and any individual world through their mobile instantly. So as far as I know, it's global wise, so you can go ahead and register from anywhere around the world. It's free to do so, and you need to put your PayPal information so you can get the money. The only thing I want you guys to be careful to do, because it's gonna make it a little bit faster when you do. Let me go ahead and show you. Click the sign up button. It will bring you to the registration page. And now what I want you guys to do, here as you can see, there's almost 1 million users using this every day. Every day is getting money in their account. Now once you put your first name and last name, you're gonna put your mobile number so they text you the questions. Now when you put your email address guys, I know most of you have more than one email. I want you to put the email address of your PayPal account, because if you put something else, there might be usually it's gonna be a little bit delayed in order to confirm your account. So go ahead, put the email you're using for your PayPal account, and so it would make the registration and confirmation much easier, and you can start getting money much faster. And I want you to go ahead and click all these three checks here for the privacy policy, for information and so on. Once you do, the next point guys, they will ask you a few personal questions that they need to know in order to know what kind of answers they're gonna send you. So they're gonna ask you if you are a male or female, the age, country you believe in, if you have a college degree, things like that. The more accurate you are on these questions, the more answers, the more questions, and they're gonna send you based on the criteria they know about you. So let's say, for example, if you know you have a degree on college degree, they're gonna ask you a little bit more questions related with this kind of people. If they know that you are a male, they're gonna send you male product questions. If they know you are a female, they're going to send you female product questions, and so on. So be as accurate as possible. They're also going to ask you on your mobile phone when you go ahead and install it to activate the location, so they can be able to send you based on your country related question based on your country. So This is it. And also you're gonna have the question to choose between 25 USD cents per question or 50 cents. Guys, go ahead and choose the 25. You know, it sounds nice to get the 50-cent questions, but get the 25 because you're gonna get more and more questions like this. If you put the 50 cent, you're gonna get a question every now and then because it's a higher on the rank anywhere, not allowance. Imagine now somebody, the company to receiving and sending out a question for 50 cents to 1 million users in just a few minutes. So it's a lot of money. Now if people put in 25 cents, they're gonna get more and more questions. So go ahead and click the 25. I know it's making a little bit more sense to put the 50 cents, but put the 25 because you're gonna get more questions for this one. This is what I want to show you guys today. A great way, a great site to get instant money in your PayPal account, answer questions. As you can see, almost over 1 million users using this right now. A legit free way, global to use. So go ahead, register and start making some money out of it. As always, guys, this is not gonna make you rich overnight, but definitely it's gonna bring you some money in and instant money in your PayPal account. So I hope you like the content of this video. If you do, don't forget to click the thumbs up. And as always, don't forget to click the subscribe button. I want you to subscribe my channel because I want you to be there as well to give me your feedback as well. And as I told you, this is not gonna make you rich overnight. If you want to see my #1 recommendation on making money online, guys, click my #1 recommendation below. The #1, my best way, the one that changed my life the last 2 years. I love it. I wouldn't change it for the world. I just wish I knew this earlier. It's free to join. Go ahead, click it. There is a video over there that can show you all the way. Everything is ready for you. You just need to join and start making some money from your side. I hope you like the video. Start making some money today. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.